If you live in a hot climate like I do, you know it's almost impossible to grow lettuce seeds outdoors. So we grow them indoors, in the garage, under grow lights. I'll show you how we do it. What are you filling?
I'm filling my buckets.
Okay, with soil. And is the soil dry
A little bit.
or wet or moist?
Moist.
Okay, like a damp sponge?
Yep.
All right, what are we planting in these today?
Lettuce.
Lettuces, okay. Wonderful, good job. So you're gonna sprinkle it all around. Very good. All those seeds all around. Make sure that it covers all the areas. Look at that. Okay, the next thing that I want you to do is I want you to press it down with the tips of your hands so the seeds touch the dirt.